How to forearm stand without a wall? The reality is that the wall can be a great friend, but it creates a big dependence. And there comes a point that a lot of people want to get a divorce with the wall. In this video, I will be sharing you 2 exercises to help you with that. The first exercise I would like you to be practicing, for those of you that are very dependent on the wall, first off, I need to let you know that breaking up with the wall can be a process that may take some time. So don't expect this to be something that you will work out in 1 or 2 sessions. But at the same time, it is definitely worth pursuing, as this will allow you to practice forearm balancing in sequences during other postures without having to move your mat against the wall. The 2 exercises I will share with you today are the following. The first one is to kick up against the wall but not touch the wall. Now the wall will serve as a safety net, but I want you, every time you touch the wall, to treat it as a failed attempt and avoid the temptation of pushing the wall and trying to look for balance. In this scenario, every time you are reaching for the wall and touching the wall, you will have to come straight away down, and every time you are not reaching the wall, you want to be holding for a few seconds before you come down. Once you are comfortable with this drill, you can move on to the second one, which is basically moving further away from the wall. The further away might be only a couple of centimeters, but obviously every few centimeters that you're moving away from the wall, you're making the practice a lot more scary, and that's something that you need to train. If I was initially practicing with my hands that far from the wall, I may have to shift my hands only by that much, and then a little bit further. An extra transition that people find useful is start practicing instead of a wall in front of a sofa. So if they go over, they will still land into something soft and not collapse on the floor. If you found this video useful, I suggest you check out my other videos that I have on forearm balance, as this will give you a more in-depth understanding about this practice. Also, you should check out my newsletter, as there I'm providing some free material for those that sign up, but of course you will also find out about when I'm running workshops, releasing new courses, but also when I'm available for private tuition.